It's winter, and this time of year our feed yards can take a beating. Between mud holes, heavy snow, freezing, and thawing, it's a challenge to maintain your yards during these months. Country Welding in Wisner, Nebraska has been making scrapers designed for our type of yard conditions for generations. Built tough to shape and reshape your yards year after year. And Country Welding also specializes in custom projects too. If you've got an idea, put it to steel with Country Welding right off Highway 275 in Wisner.